Welcome on board 12028 Bangalore Chennai Shatabdi. Today our locomotive is Lalaguda WAP 730240. We are approaching Chennai Central now, and we will see the awesome arrival, and before that we will have an awesome capture, and then followed by the view of the Trip Loco shed near Basin Bridge Junction as we approach Chennai Central. We are just passing through Yasarpadi, the station just before Chennai Central. On your right you can see the triple towers of the GMR thermal power station located at Basin Bridge. Upcoming is a crossing, a WAP 40 with the late running Jaipur Coimbatore Superfast Express. This goes via Jalapet, Salem, Road and Coimbatore from Chennai Central. (24 coaches, 2,678 kilometers, 46.5 hours with an average speed of 58 kilometers. We are entering the big Chennai curve as we approach the Basin Bridge Junction, and a beautiful view of the entire train as we are at the far end of the train on the executive class. You can now again see the very close-up view of the triple towers of the Basin Bridge Thermal Power Station run by GMR Power Corporation. We are passing through Basin Bridge Junction. This is where the East Coast line from Vijayawada, Guntur join the Chennai Central line. The express trains to New Delhi and Howrah goes through that line, and we come in from the northwest. Hardly about 2 kilometers from Chennai Central, or probably less than 2 kilometers. On your right are the two suburban tracks. Passengers getting ready to get down from the train, pulling their baggage out from the upper compartments. We have halted now just outside the Chennai Central, and you see the beautiful view of the Chennai Trip Loco shed. WAP 1, WAP 4, WAP 7, WAG 7, varieties of locomotive. Locomotives, when they come, are stationed here before they go to a new trip. The Trip Loco shed, 30-year-old WAP 1s of belonging to the Arakonam Loco shed. We start again on our journey to Central. Another local train going towards Arakonam. Now on your right are the lines branching towards the suburban terminal located at the Move Market. In the distance you can see now the terminal building of the Move Market, the suburban complex. Awesome view of a zoomed in view of Chennai Central station. On your right you can see the great Chapak Stadium, which cricket stadium with these lights. Those are the platform 9, 10, 11. You can see the clock tower. We enter the Chennai Central platform. We are today arriving in platform number 2. Most of the time the train arrives in platform number 2A, which is a dual side. That means you can alight on either side of the platform. Another WAP4 belonging to E Road. Arriving to 2543. Number 2. Chennai Central is a busy station, most profitable and most revenue earning station for Southern Railway. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you soon again with more compilations. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.